BagEZ. A mess and hassle-free approach to waste management. From backyard cleanups to parties or trash cans, BagEZ eliminates painful work and makes organizing waste easy. Find leaves collection and yard cleanup work hard? Clearing up after parties not your thing? Is your garage a home for stinky trash cans? Are you tired lifting heavy bags from bin to bin? Does washing your trash bins over and over seem senseless? And do you want to help the environment? BagEZ makes it easy for you to do all that and more effortlessly. BagEZ is super simple, easy to use, and it sets up in seconds. Here's how you set BagEZ up. Pull the bag through and over the frame. Press on your BagEZ clips to secure your bag, and that's it. BagEZ holds bags wide open to make disposing waste, leaf cleanup, backyard work quick and easy. Effortlessly, rake leaves directly into your bag, or make your garden cleanup fast. Designed to be tough, portable, and compact. Hang, hook, tie or clip BagEZ just about anywhere to easily manage trash when outdoors, while keeping it out of reach from pets. BagEZ securely holds heavy bags, offering you stress and accident-free waste disposal. Turn bags into handy and conveniently placed pop-up bins to make your cleanup and trash organization at tailgate events, outdoor parties easy. From construction sites to boating or fishing, BagEZ makes outdoor waste management easy. Declutter your garage while making disposing and sorting recyclable waste accessible. Hang your bags on walls and off the floor. Tired of bad-smelling trash cans? Keep your stinky garbage bins clean without any messy work. Use everyday, regular-sized, in-store garbage bags to line your containers and keep them clean. Bag and contain all yucky waste that gets collected by the garbage truck, leaving you with a fresh and clean can without using a drop of water, which is great for the environment. BagEZ fits most wheelie bins, from small, medium or large. BagEZ comes in 3 sizes to suit your needs and requirements. BagEZ is made of steel, built to withstand the elements, and designed to be secured in so many ways to make life easier. BagEZ makes disposing waste easy.